and welcome to online class. Day 20, class 6, subject social studies, lesson 2.2, our national glory. Yes, in previous class I had taught you about national glory. Yes, national flag, yes, national anthem, yes, and one course of this all I had taught you in previous class. Yes, today I will explain you about Mount Everest. Yes, we know about Mount Everest very well. Yes, it is very famous in the world. Yes, yes, it is very famous in the world. The highest peak, the Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Yes, and its height is 8,848 meters high above sea level. Sea level भन्दा नि हाई छ. कति हाइट छ त? 8,848 meters. Yes, so it is famous in the world. विश्वभरिमा चर्चित के छ त? Mount Everest. Every country, सबै कन्ट्रीबाट चाहिँ टुरिस्टहरु के गर्न आउँछन् त? भिजिट गर्न आउँछन्, क्लाइम्ब गर्न आउँछन्. Where? Mount Everest. Yes, it is our national glory which helps to identify our country as the country of highest peak. Mount Everest ले चाहिँ हामीले के गरेको छ त? विश्वमा चिनाउने काम गरेको छ. Yes, विश्वमा हामीलाई आइडेन्टिटी दिएको छ. In Nepal there is Mount Everest. Height is 8,848. Yes, high above sea level. Yes, यसरी चाहिँ हामीले के गरेको छ त? विश्वमा चिनाएको छ. कसले त? Mount Everest ले. Yes, and who climbed first at Mount Everest? Who climbed first? को चढ्यो त पहिलो चोटी Mount Everest मा? Yes, I have written the name here. Yes, Tenzing Norgay Sherpa and Edmund Hillary climbed Mount Everest for the first time in 1953 AD. 1953 AD मा Tenzing Norgay Sherpa चाहिँ के गर्नु भएको त? फर्स्ट टाइम क्लाइम्ब गर्नु भएको र सक्सेस पनि हुनु भएको. यस, र हामीले पनि स्टडी गर्छौं र क्वीन्स बुकहरुमा पनि उहाँको नाम हामीले स्टडी गर्ने गर्छौं. यस, he is the first person who climbed the Mount Everest. Yes, they both climbed Mount Everest first time. Yes, and Mount Everest, many summiters have reached the top. Now many people reach there. हामीले पढ्छौं अहिले रिसेन्टली पनि कति जना व्यक्तिहरु पुगेर आउनु भयो. Yes, we studied about that also. Yes, so we feel very proud that Mount Everest is in Nepal. Yes, many tourists come to visit Mount Everest to climb. Yes, and we earn money. Yes, so it is one of our national glory of our country. Yes, which keep the name of our country in the world. जसले चाहिँ हाम्रो नाम राख्न सफल भएको छ. विश्वमा सबसे हाईएस्ट पिक कुन हो भन्दाखेरि माउन्ट एभरेस्ट. which country belongs to it भन्दाखेरि नेपाल. Yes, they at that time we feel proud. Yes, okay, next topic is Lumini. Yes, it is also one of our national glory. Yes, Lumini is also one of the national glory of our country. Lumini is the birthplace of Gautam Buddha. It lies in Rupanderi district. It is very famous place. We know that because we also belong to Rupanderi district. Yes, हामी पनि कहाँ बिलोङ गर्छौं त? Rupanderi district मा. र Lumini के छ त एकदमै famous छ. Yes, Gautam Buddha was born in Lumini in Rupanderi district. Yes, Mayadevi temple, Ashoka pillar and Pushkarani pond are the main feature of this area. Yes, this area become very famous and very famous for Buddhist. Yes, यो लुम्बिनी एरिया भनेको एकदमै फेमस हो कसको लागि त बुद्धिस्ट को लागि. Yes, many people go to visit for Lumbini because the birthplace of Gautam Buddha, and Gautam Buddha provides us many knowledge. He teaches us about non-violence, peace. Yes, he teaches us, and he is also known as the light of Asia. In the world, many people follow these religions. Buddhist religions, many people follow because Gautam Buddha teaches us to live peacefully and non-violently. Yes, so many people follow these religions. Gautam Buddha is the founder of Buddhism. The Buddhist philosophy of peace and non-violence has become famous and popular all over the world. विश्वमै प्रख्यात छ, चर्चित छ, फेमस छ. What? Peace and non-violence. कोही व्यक्तिले हामीलाई यो चीज सिकाउनु भएको थिएन. गौतम बुद्ध teachers. Yes, so he became very famous in the world. Many people follow these things. र अहिले विश्व नै शान्त छ. किन छ? Because he teaches us that peace gives us many things and non-violence also gives us many things. यो दुईटाले नै गर्दा हामी के छौं त एकदमै राम्रो छौं. यस, विश्वमा हरेक ठाउँमा चाहिँ अशान्ति हुँदाखेरि चाहिँ उहाँले यो कुरा सिकाउनु भयो. अशान्तिले कहिले राम्रो हुँदैन. सो sit peacefully life, don't harm to any other, don't harm to any animals, not human beings, not only animals, don't harm any living things. Yes, he teaches us these things. And Lumbini is our national glory. Lumbini चाहिँ के हो त हाम्रो national glory हो. Yes, we are very proud that Lumbini is in our country. Yes, in our district. Yes, many tourists come to visit Lumbini. Yes, so Lumbini is very developed area. Lumbini को area छ जति पनि छ Lumbini area side पुरै totally developed. Transport, communication, yes, hotel, resort, all things are totally developed, and many tourists come to visit every year. Yes, so that area is totally developed and we feel proud about that. हामी चाहिँ एकदम proud feel गर्छौं. Lumbini is in Nepal. Yes, and such a great person was born in Lumbini. Yes, and it is also in world record. र Lumbini केमा छ त world record मा पनि छ किनभने विश्वको मान्छेले यो फलो गर्ने गौतम बुद्ध ले जुन हामीलाई शिक्षा दिनु भएको छ त्यो चाहिँ विश्वमा सबै व्यक्तिले फलो गरिराख्नु भएको छ. So it is record in world heritage. UNESCO included it in the world heritage list in 1997 AD. यति 1997 AD मा चाहिँ के भएको छ त वर्ल्ड रेकर्ड मा गएको छ Lumbini. Yes, so Lumbini is the birthplace of Gautam Buddha. He was born in Lumbini. Lumbini lies in Rupandai district. Yes, we feel proud about that. Yes, we feel very proud about that because we are sitting in Lumbini zone. Yes, it lies in Rupandai district and we live in Lumbini zone. Yes, today I teach you about Mount Everest. Yes, it is highest peak in the world. It makes us famous. Yes, and same like that about Lumbini. Lumbini also makes us very famous. Yes, it also gives us identity. Lumbini ले गर्दाखेरि पनि हाम्रो विश्वमा मान्छेले चिन्छ. Where are you from? भन्दाखेरि we are from Nepal. We can say proudly. Yes. Yes. Today I explain this both topic. Yes, I think you understand. Yes, if you do not understand then please say me. Yes, and today I will give you some and please complete your task in time and learn also. Yes, अहिलेको यो महामारी स्थितिमा please study yourself. If any problem this, please contact us. We will explain you about that topic which you do not understand. So please study in your home, do your hard work. Yes. Okay, today I will give you some tasks and please complete that task in time. Okay. This is your task. Okay, please complete. Why is Lumini a place of our national glory? Lumini किन national glory मा belong गर्छ त्यो explain गर्नुहोस्. Why? Because it is very popular in the world. Gautam Buddha was born in that place, yes, and he teaches us many things. Write that things also, okay. And name the person who climbed Mount Everest recently. हालचालमा चाहिँ कसले चाहिँ Mount Everest climb गर्नु भएको थियो उहाँको नाम लेख्नुहोस्. Yes, and who climbed the Mount Everest first. र Mount Everest चाहिँ सबभन्दा पहिला कहिले चढ्नु भएको थियो. Write the name, okay. And thank you for today. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you.